Hello friends, in this video you will learn how you can create videos using the Done For You template by simply adding images, adding text, and of course rendering the video. So without any delay, let's get started. You can find this template in the bonus section. This is the product which I'll be using for demonstration in this video. In Amazon, you have the name of the product right here, the description, and all the images right here. So let's get started. Let's copy the brand's name. Paste it in our presentation. Copy the product's name. Paste it in our presentation. Now, just format this a bit. Let's add the description. Copy the name first. Then copy the description. Now let's go to the main description about this product. Let's copy the first feature of this product. Add it in our PPT. Let's capitalize all of this by simply clicking on the uppercase. Let's add the description for this feature. Let's go to the next feature. Now we'll add images to each of these features and the product. For adding the images, click on the image you want to add. It will open a pop-up where you can right click on the image, copy the image, and paste it in your PPT. Let's do the same for the rest of the images. Now in the case of this picture, it is slightly small, so I'll just add this white background behind it, so it covers the same place as the rest of the pictures. Perfect. Let's go to the next picture. Copy it and paste it right here. And paste it right here. So now we're done with all the images and text. Let's just delete this extra feature right here. Now all we need to do is we need to add a screenshot of the 5-star reviews for this product. So you can find all these reviews right down here. You can see there's no review for this product. So all we need to do is we can delete this slide and we're done with the video. So the last thing we need to do is we'll add the background music to this video. Let's just go in the Insert tab, add audio from my PC, select the audio and drag it to the side of the image. Play it in background. Now we will check out how it looks. But to render it, we need to set the timings for each slide that you can do in the Slideshow tab by using the Rehearse Timings option. So when you click on this option, it will play the audio and you can select the timings for each slide. So we have set the timings for each of the slide, and it says, do you want to save these timings? Click on yes. Now with the files option, save as this PPT. And while you're doing it, instead of saving it as a PowerPoint presentation, save it as a MPEG-4 video. That creates this presentation into a video, and your video is rendered. When you click on save, it starts rendering the videos. It says creating video presentation 1 MP4. So that's how you render the video. I hope this helps. Bye for now.